The axle seals between the transmission and drive flange axles are a known area of leaks. Ours were not too bad, but you should make checking the area around the seal, red arrow, part of your regular maintenance. You will need to remove the axle, red arrow, from the flange, but you do not need to remove the end of the axle from the wheel bearing hub. Remove the 6 8mm triple square bolts and the 3 half-moon washers. The axle will then separate from the flange, yellow arrow. Tie the axle up out of the way. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task if needed. Before you remove the axle drive flange, you will need to drain the transmission fluid. Make sure to open the fill hole, red arrow, before opening the drain hole, yellow arrow, and again, please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional instructions on how to change your transmission fluid. With the transmission fluid drained, green arrow, you can slide a thin screwdriver through one of the openings in the axle flange, red arrow, and then use a 6mm Allen to remove the flange bolt, yellow arrow. Remove the long axle flange bolt, red arrow. With the bolt removed, you can slide the axle straight out, red arrow. Check the axle flange for excessive wear or damage. Use a seal puller or small screwdriver and remove the seal, red arrow. Use care not to scratch or damage the housing. There is a small spring on the inside of the seal. Make sure to remove it with the seal and that it doesn't stay in the housing. Clean everything up and install the new seal by gently tapping it in place. You can use a 40mm socket to install it. One of the tricks I use is to use a roll of electrical tape and remove enough tape to make an exact fit of the outside diameter of the seal. The seal does not need a lot of force to seat it. You can easily push or tap it in place using the tape. Make sure the seal sits inside the inner diameter or ridge in the housing. Installation of all the other components is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.